Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general, tap on software update. You can see it's checking for update. If our phone is connected to internet, phone will automatically search for software update. If there is an update, it would show that update. You can see it shows that there is an update. iOS 17.3. Size of the update is 1.72 GB. You can read this message. This message says that this update includes bug fixes and security updates. Here you can see update now button. Tap on this button. That way we can install this update. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install that update. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.